In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem a Disney Plus gift card. This is a quick and simple process, and once you know where to go and what information to enter, it only takes a moment to apply the value of the gift card to your Disney Plus account. As you follow along, make sure you have your gift card with you so you can easily read the numbers you'll need. To get started, open your web browser on your computer, tablet, or phone. In the address bar, go to disneyplus.com/gift. This will take you directly to the official Disney Plus gift card page, where you can redeem your card and check its value. It's important to use the official website so your gift card is applied correctly and securely. Once the page loads, you'll see fields asking for the gift card details. Begin by typing in the gift card number exactly as it appears on the card. Take your time here because even one incorrect digit can prevent the card from being recognized. After that, enter the security code, which is the PIN associated with the gift card. This is an extra verification step that helps confirm the card is valid. Next, enter the zip code requested on the page. Make sure you type it carefully and in the correct format. This part helps complete the redemption check and ensures the system can process the card information properly. After all the details have been entered, review everything one more time before moving on. Double-check the gift card number, the PIN, and the zip code for any typing errors. This small step can save time and help you avoid unnecessary error messages. When you're ready, click the button labeled Check Value. After you select it, the system will verify your information and process the gift card. If everything was entered correctly, the gift card credit will be applied to your Disney Plus account. At that point, the balance from the card is ready to use toward your Disney Plus subscription or eligible account charges, depending on how your account is set up. If the page doesn't accept your information right away, go back and carefully recheck the numbers on the card before trying again. And that's it. That's how to redeem a Disney Plus gift card quickly and correctly through the official Disney Plus website.